Usembut Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla basnya balang dhar haka khat saw tarik nailar ula Plie Paidbah ia ka Ïing Skul Jong Jerome High Secondary School Nongmensong haba ajingkran haka ni ka sngi kumukong san ula penpau ia ka jing sngokhia halor ka rukom long ka emlang salang namar bun sien kum ki kimi ki kpa kinong shong shnong kimshim ia ka jingkit khle banya trelang bat kentiu ia ka bha kamyan ula ong ba habon ki kep layu i ba ki kimi ki pa ki kuslai haba ki pha ki khon banwa da ka jingnang jing start batang shukiu ka bai shong skul labon ki bakul mar kat ba ki khon pat ki bat ki mobile ki baram dor ki ba shong dor palat shilak tengka daga ba ai nuksa badon ka samla ka ba bhabreu ka baryam kum ka khon riu spa kawan pan jingerap na u na ka benta ka bai college ka ba khatsan hajar tengka nre hakti pat ka ba ka mobile ka ba shong dor shilak prapho hajar tengka uba singa bhalang ulo ong bakan ni ka pensngo khia ya u hagani ka jingalang Plie ya ka Ïing Skul la don lang do mus Reverend Victor Lingdo DD Archbishop ka Shillong Archdiocese ka Dr. Mezel Amprin Lingdo MLA ka East Shillong ba AL Hek MLA ka Penthor Umkra kong DTH Majau MDC la Umkra Malki Padar Pascal Lingdo Parish Priest Nongmensong Padar Patrick Khongwer Principal ba prang warjri rang ba shnong kinong yalam ka school managing committee kinong hikai lembat ki khna school uba singa balang ulo ong ba sarkar ka bu hakmat ya ka pulia buthi bat kentu pat ya ki bor ba penyaj school ki kimi ki pa ban aya ka jinga trelang ban kentiu ya ka nalor ka ni uba singa balang kum unong shong shnong ka Nongmensong ulo ong ba udon ka jinga trelang baru MLA ka Penthor Umkra ka dor bar shnong Nongmensong ha ka baya day ba ka project sam umbam ka ba dangdon ha ka jinga lenti ban pentre kam ya ka ban sam umbam ha ka shnong barok away ya kate ka Ïing Skul la taina ka jinga rap Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla Konrad ke sangma hadien ba ulawan jingo e ka school haus nam hajar arpuar rengkat ka Dr. Amperin ka balong khatsan lak tengka nalor ka jingkershan pisa na uba el hek ka Dr. Amperin lembat na ka parish uba singa bahalang haka ni kasngi ula pembenaru ban sinyang shpau lak tengka ban shna ya ka Ïing Skul haka phase 2.
It is with immense joy and gratitude that we gather together on this, not only the formal inauguration of our new school building, but also a milestone in the journey of St. Jerome Higher Secondary School, Nongmensong.
Madam.
Your Grace, no. Father Pastor.
Madam. Your Grace.
A huge round of applause for this beautiful moment of the unveiling of the plaque. A plaque may bear only a few.
I will read what is written here. St. Jerome's High Secondary School, Nongmensong, Shillong 19, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. School building inaugurated by Shri Snyao Bahalang Dhar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, on 14 August 2026, in the presence of Shri A.L. Hek, Honorable MLA, Penthor Umkra Constituency, Shrimati M. Amperin Lingdo, Honorable MLA, Light Umkra Constituency, blessed by Most Reverend Victor Lingdo DD, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, in the presence of Reverend Father Pascal Lingdo and Reverend Father Patrick Khongwer. Let's give a big clap once again.
Schools, the college, in the whole education system. Sometimes when we have a number of students, we are having less number of classrooms. And sometimes when we have number of classroom, number of students, we are having less number of teachers. This is a normal problem. And also I will thank the contractors and the architects. I heard from the announcement you are really tremendous in your own way because of you. And the school went in the right time and right timings. Because we know the problem, because sometimes schools are very complicated, especially in the rural area. This is not a rural area. Sometimes just Bishop whispered me before I speak. He told me, months now, this school is really meant for the poor people. And I know that. And I know, very school, father school is always. And also I would like to recall back when I was small as a student in the year of 1993. When I came to Nongmensong, especially during evening time, I always afraid. So many people are around the road who are drunks and this and that, speak all those wrong words and make the society insecure. And let me reflect, let me tell this. With the coming of this Paris, this place is really blessed. This place is really blessed. In terms of safety, in terms of discipline, in terms of organized, it really helped us. Because I stay here from the year 2015. Unfortunately, I met all the headmen who are before, whether the SQ member, they are really productive and helpful. And that is one of the reasons the village grew very fastly. Yes, we are living so many tribes here, maybe Bengali are there, Khasi are there, Banar are there, so many are there, but the best part that in terms of social work, we are one. That is the beauty. And because of what? Because of the management committee of the donbosco. It's a good example to all of us. And sometimes I used to call them personally, they never meet me. And I would like to inform the donbosco, even this last 2-3 days, I already made up our mind, me and Honorable Emily, we will meet the Chief Minister also in related with the water supply scheme. They meet me, I told them so just request the local Emily, and we have decided maybe next week itself, because during session time we are already in station. So me and Sarhek will meet the Chief Minister, we will try to push the water supply scheme on Nongmensong. I know my people are suffering, but sometimes the executive member, they never meet me. Sometimes I used to call them, but I'm lucky in that part. So please disturb Ïing because he's the owner of this area. So thank you so much. I know about the construction of the buildings because they already mentioned that CM has already support some amount. And I know without the help of the local MLA, I think all these things would not happen. Thank you so much, ma'am. So when I look at all of you, so you are overseas, so let me share a few words in my language so it's better. Naman ako ay manay ko breaker pang mo, klip ito niya pinigil ng Khuborjylla. Kaya ka pala mo. Ila panirap sila karlak laylak sa ulak handay kajidon kajongi, pati madamang pa rin, pat Shillong, pat organizations committee ni SMC. Kajing try sutong jogi mending arung nga langsung pula bang apa berkata kini kompon. Kau kali ngalai arang ngari try Shillong tak jukot kata-kata daudun beli. Mending ayo ala pendru mending dap pergi sosorong don kom kani kepares organizations ka Skul Jerome jogi. Iso tui ka Skul break ka su khamtang kum kani jai Skul ka jo pergi khot ka tin nong ka Skul fadar mi jo. Na mana ka no ka area badon kini Skul himla menden ka jitu ustad mamla suka pada. Ha constituency jungaran South ni Paris, jai tiaran ka Plie ni Paris. I'm very much associated with the Balankat. Tengah tu ini kecil long jong di kini organisation, kadang kini organisation ni karoy kepaling lah, kakiu ustad, maka disiplin gaya lap ano ini karoy. Tengah suatu ini ni Plie sekali kecil ni balai ni kup Skul, pin face ke problem kata by experience. Barang kikmei kikbaju ni kikwa bayar ke Skul babah. Habagyong ke Skul babah mo don kamanyo ki good teachers. Habagi ko ay good teachers kamon we have to pay high. But it's not easy for the parents to give such a high salary for those good teachers. Hanay nga ay perkajing yaro gino hikay jumi kat kum kilak tres ton makan ke Skul ka kyo ni por sa ko. Ka result ka bahang ati barang man ka por ka Skul. Ni perpau ka snow di snow puro begino hikay ka ni nelon biyo ka pimbe ka bahaya ni tres ton mat ni baksi. Kani ka dai siya kata ka social work, ka social activities. We are collectively responsibility. Namar kay ka problem jogi. Ngi kuwa man yo highly qualified in everything. You have to raise the school fees. And when we reach the school fees, we face allegations from different parents. That is the problem. Ngajukan ini kita dan repeat today. You know what is the problem with our dearest parent? Sometimes the school kapag kiukundian, barok na ikulmaro. Hanay ngipat bosien dan baburong, Nongmensong hani in general. But himle ay the school, you are difficult to get a good assets, you are difficult to get a good work, you are difficult to get a good result. Manse kung may kwa pagay gusto baba, we have to move it forward, we have to be target. And he got money of school kapag hamba, we have to risk to some extent. Pwede ka baburong na bipil ba school tang layan sa system, layan kita mabarafay. Anay magkikun job hibat kipat ke mobile, bersilak sitan ko eh. I'm very sure to say this. Don't go away ke Samla, ke Gusi, nampak kan mention ke Gusi. Najain tiang, berjain tiang. Kau bahab riuha. Ni dari sentrang di mulur ni kata. Kau bahab riu, bakariam lu kariam bah. Kau nak office jaman. Karena perubahan pendrok ya. They live like anything. Kau dah sah subhang aku ay kedupat pi. Ngawan pancing yarap. Namar ngatip dia berubah sebun bagau. Tak kalah rak ngadu belakang sini. Tengah lah bergerak lepas tim ke Ïing yok mental dengan Samla. Kau dasar I know you are very kind. Ngatip dia berpaham hangal tim lu nak persen video pas unta bang yang ta. Am keren dia kakam ini. Barka bahabru barka riam negajin barka koks barka ho. Kau sar ngawan sipi ngakwa ban panyarap kabay college. Lanang yo sumala sa ape yo ape sa. Tengah apa aku menong yang malor ni, aku menong kena panjang haba karya tito. Karya kalau kali aku mengkon dulu suka. Ang kano kang khasa macam. Ngapai sih kadang gambar kepon bersilap peraku macam. Tengah no, ang sorry namira pipi. Mu tak khasa macam dua ibadah kepon bersilap peraku macam. Kini baru we have to aware in our society. And no one can do it. Everyone can do it. You have some responsibility, you have some claim. If you have a problem, you can blame your government. Don't classroom, you blame government. Don't suruh, you blame government. Don't tell yalang Samla, you blame government. Really, but I think it's never done. Lakini baru we have to realize something. Hindi man kayo nagkakitin, ganyan-kakitin, kamatador, ginilaan, kan-kan-kan. Before you speak, you have to think. You have to put a set example for your society. Dan piya lang makrajulti, kan po sa society juga. How ka sorkan ni soto, doon banta kami hamlet. Doon banta kung MLA, kung BC, kung Shillong, doon ka banta. Handai pa, doon banta niya soto. Kaya काम जो को सरकार, kaya काम जो को society, kaya काम जो को school, lagi suatu tangan ketangkan lapla, piti pulung insarki upai bahasa sih. Lagi kum kinong yelam, right from politicians, right to the society level. Lagi misleading society, we are not fit to be leaders of the state. And I won't see even intellectual people, they are common with that. They are common with that. Hal jaga ni menyerat pensoto. Hal jaga we have to share the responsibility. Hal jaga we have to share the experiences. Kaya kira ubah bilang. The mistake you make, you get experiences. But the experiences you gain, you decrease your mistake. When love the society, we come down with our daughter. Don't put that on the MLA, don't put that on the BC. After all, we have to work together. Nama kanu kamu ngimla penblim uwi. Kamtam ngikum ki emeli no yalam. We are here not to teach from the past. We are always correct for the past. Either from the past. Ngimla kalau kali kakam kejomuta. We are here to correct things. We are here to improve things. We are here to help each other. We are here to teach the children of the student in the right directions. Baik kesorkan nale ayu education department. And only in the Meghalaya, he's most senior than me in politics. Ini aktif loh. Mereka mengatakan dengan NDP dan government Europe ini. Yang dia tahu ya pi. Hakini ki pras dan musiteng balak lain. 4 tahun sortan betre kumga MDE 1. Enggak. Dari bikin agak surau, mendingan agak education sector, tourism sector, sport, every sector almost we touch maximum. Mendingan cek lagi supaya doa arah jatuh sepak. Belum tak sekali. Kalau saya kata kalau persen labun macam private di sponsor. Minggu akan live on education sector. Hari dan kita suatu buat kali kesuatan sampai dan kita hikai pa sakat tas nalai kadang lain. But we are trying our best. Habang ngaong ile ikatakum ke government ngambut begini dulu. We are trying, whether right or wrong. The time will see. Lebih baik itu agak sektor, hantam sport sektor. Repair tourism sector, power every sector. Lagay ka daw ang arsa ka prang ng dagat kung baca. In a span of 8 years, naman atas kalay ko dyan bro. Because of what? Because of the open by the government. Kung kini baro, pihak song-song yung state ka dyan. Pihak song-song na mo, pihak song-song. We should know what is right, what is wrong. Sumir tang katimsi, tang katimsaw, tang kasukan bla-bla to surong. No, problem is not on the road, problem is on in the assembly and then the office. There is still to say yes, there is still to say no. We just say bluntly no, we just say bluntly right. We are wrong. Nakatakan daw mo yung mention mo yung cakap pada father ke Paris kami. Baru kaki ulit, nak mana ni kata? Fact is facts. Dapat tengah kondisi na apli ke Paris la apli kahapor balong mani. Tapi sekarang beliau sih lihat. Lain mata beliau ini. Ikanak gelap you naduk ke disiplin, naduk ke burung kemai, burung keba, ke burung yang kira apa kosong. So nice, it was really wonderful. Dan ni kadai don kami kudu membaca society. Yes, I know your problem. We know your problem. Kung berilim bersang menyerahkan pala, dek manusia kepala madam menyerahkan dek kampang ni meliling ang prinsip dia. Malah kau sudah belum patah start mengajar sama si Ben. Nama lain kau sudah banyak job, dia besok. Dia bilang